Here's how to set up a welcome message on Instagram. So go ahead and launch your Instagram application on your device first, log into your account, and select your profile picture icon to go to your profile section. From here, you need to go ahead and click on the three lines in the top right corner. This will open a menu of settings and activity. Scroll down and go to the section of for professionals and select account types and tools. From here, you need to again scroll down, and there you'll get this section of your professional tools, under which you'll get the option of messaging tools. Go ahead and select it. For making replying easier, there are options of response suggestions, saved reply, frequently asked questions, and message control. Click on saved reply. Click on the plus icon in the top of this menu. And here, enter your shortcut. Once you've entered your message, you can also manage your label. Go ahead and click on save from the top of the screen, which is highlighted in purple color, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.